Hi, I am Blabina. Do you want to see what I made? It's Panda! Blah blah Blabina. So cuddly! Pandas live in China. And do you know what they do all day long? They eat bamboo. Bamboo is a type of very tall plant. So pandas, they eat yum, 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 and then they sleep. Some people say that pandas are lazy. But did you know that pandas can climb the tree? Yes, yes, yes! There is one. Come on, you can do it! P-A-N-D-A Panda. I'm being panda today. I'm going to eat my bamboo. It's actually breadstick, but I'm pretending it's bamboo. And then I'm going to sleep. And then eat. I'll sleep. And eat. Now it's your turn to make your panda. Don't forget, you are smart, you are amazing, and you can do anything. See you next time. Blah 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 blah. Dear grown-ups, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I would love to hear from you. Bye!